Hello, I am Dr. Sigarkanti. In the previous sessions, we have discussed about the probability distribution. For about 11 sessions, we have solved problems on probability distribution. And in one session, we have solved the previous question papers on this topic. And this is the session. So we go for a unit test on probability distribution. This is the model unit test paper. The paper given to you may not be the same as this one. This is just a model here. So here we set the question paper for the duration 1.5 hours and maximum marks 50. The questions are of 2 marks questions and 5 marks questions. Okay. So 2 marks questions are you have to solve 5 questions out of 7 questions given or 8 questions given. You have to solve 5 questions. You will get 10 marks. And then in the section 2, solve any 8 questions. So these questions are of 5 marks questions. Minimum 10 questions are given. You have to solve for 8 questions. So here you will get 40 marks. Totally it is a 50 marks test paper. And usually we get the questions in 2 marks of this type. That is find the constant C so that fx is defined like this. Okay. Just we have to find the value of C. And this is probability distribution function here. Second question, verify whether this given fx is a PDF or not. Just we have to verify. This is also similar question, verify whether this is a PDF or not. That is just PDF or not means just we have to verify fx is greater than or equal to 0 and summation of fx is equal to 1. And here the next question is find the expected number of heads in tossing 3 coins. And here the next question is E of x square is given, E of x is given. Find the standard deviation sigma. I will delete this answer. And sixth question, find the area under the standard normal curve between. Okay, this is very simple questions here. These are all same. Finding the area between the curve and z-axis between z equal to say z1 to z2. And these are the types of the questions you will get for 5 marks. That a pair of dice being thrown and the random variable x is the sum of the numbers that appear on the face of 2 dice. Find mean and the standard deviation. All these questions we have discussed in previous sessions. And this is one question, finding the value of k, finding p of x less than 4, p of x greater than or equal to 5, p of x lying between 3 and 6. Okay. These are the types of the question where these come for 5 marks. And here the answers are also given. The corresponding answer. The first question we get C value is equal to 1, and second question we verify whether PDF or not, fx greater than or equal to 0. Here we are getting minus infinity to plus infinity effective. This is equal to 1. Therefore, this is a PDF. And second next question is also similar. Fx is greater than or equal to 0, and this integration minus infinity to plus infinity we are getting it is equal to 2. Therefore, it is not a PDF. This must be equal to 1. Okay. And the next question is find the expected number of heads in tossing 3 coins. First you have to write yes, that sample space, and then you have to write x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Okay. Find the expected number of heads in tossing 3 coins. So that means we have to find out this E of x. And next question, E of x square is given, E of x is given, we have to find out the deviation. So first we have to find out the variance and then we find the standard deviation. Okay. Find the area between. If you draw this figure, if you write like this, then you will get 1 mark, and final answer you will get 1 more mark here. These are also similar questions. Okay, same type of the questions. And these are all 5 marks questions, a little bit bigger. So here a pair of dice be thrown and the random variable x is the sum of numbers that appear on the face of two dice. Find the mean and standard deviation. So that is here. First you have to consider if x is the random variable denoting the sum on the two dice. Okay, and first you have to write that dice has 6 outcomes. Total number of outcomes are 36. Right. And minimum number is 1 of the dice, maximum number is 6 of the dice. Therefore, minimum sum equal to 2 and maximum sum equal to 12. After this, you are going to find out P of x equal to 2, that sum equal to 2, 3, P of 3, P of 4, P of 5 up to P of 12. After finding this, then you have to write this table and then you have to find the mean. Mean is given by x into summation x into px, and the variance is given by summation of x minus mu square into p of x, and the standard deviation given by root of the variance. Next question, find the mean, variance and standard deviation of the number obtained on a throw of a dice. Number obtained, any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is x can take 1 to 6 here, then P of 1. All of the probability of getting every number is same, that is 1 by 6. Writing a table, finding the mean, finding the variance. Okay. So here we will get the marks proportionate. So that means here if you find this one, P of 2, P of 3, P of 4 and writing the table up to this, you will get say around 3 marks, and rest you will get 2 marks. In this way we distribute the marks. That is finding P of x, the possible values, P of x equal to 0, P of x equal to 1, P of x equal to 2, and writing the table. Then we find the mean, variance and the standard deviation. Okay, up to that table you will get 3 marks, remaining rest you will get 2 marks. And these are all the questions we have discussed in previous sessions. If you go through those previous sessions, then you will be able to understand the answers and you will be able to solve the paper. Okay. So all answers are given, question paper is given, all answers are given. Try to solve this question paper, and the questions may not be the same, question may be different, similar type of the questions you will get. So I have given this model question paper. Okay, thank you. Try to solve the questions. Thank you. I'll stop here.